Good morning, students. Today we'll do some more numericals regarding this mole concept. Okay, that day I told you that more laws are there in this chapter. Means law of conservation of mass you have studied, and you have studied about the constant proportion. Including those laws, some more laws are there, that is Gay-Lussac's law, Avogadro law, but these laws are again in chapter 5. Okay, so in chapter 5 it is more related and more specific. Okay, so in that chapter we will be again doing that. So in this chapter we are leaving that and we will be doing in the 5th chapter. Okay, Gay-Lussac's law and Avogadro law. Okay, there are some more laws which are introduced in chapter 5. Along with that we will be doing. Okay, now we will be continuing with the mole concept and its numericals. Okay, so numericals we have done related to the number of atoms. I told you where the number of atom is there, you have to see, you have to take Avogadro number, you have to use Avogadro's number. Understood? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. It can be atoms, it can be molecules, it can be ions. Understood? It depends upon the question. You have to read the question carefully, and where number of atoms or number of molecule is asked, you have to use this Avogadro's number. Understood? So see the question carefully. Calculate the number of atoms in each of the following. Understood? Number of atoms calculate करने हैं. Okay. 3.2 gram of sulfur. I am taking one example for number of atoms. I will give you some question. You will be doing that. Okay. 3.2 gram of sulfur में क्या करना है? Number of atoms find करना है. Firstly, where it is asked 3.2 gram of sulfur में number of atoms पता करना है. मतलब you have to use this gram atomic mass is equal to the mole number. That is what gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass I told you. Gram atomic mass, किसी भी चीज का mass in grams. Okay, atomic mass in grams, that is gram atomic mass. So gram atomic mass of sulfur is what? 32. Okay, gram atomic mass sulfur का 16 and that is 32. Atomic mass is 32. So 32 gram is equal to, we can write 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. लिख सकते हैं ना हम लोग? 6.023 into 23. So 32 grams of sulfur contain 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Okay, you can write here atoms. Okay, now 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 किसमें है? 32 grams में. तो 1 gram में कितना होगा? 1 gram में it will be what? It will be what? 1 gram में होगा 6.023 upon 32. This will be in 1 gram. Understood? And what is asked in 3.2 gram कितना होगा? 1 gram का इतना निकल गया 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Understood? तो 1 gram में कितना होगा? 1 gram में इतना हो गया. And now 3.2 gram में what you will be doing? You will be multiplying with 3.2. So you will get the answer. Okay? ये तो आपका आ गया 10. Okay. Now rest all can be done. हो गया यहाँ पे 6.023 into 10 to the power 22 should be your answer. Understood? You can check the answer. I will give you the question. Okay, you can check it from there. Okay, so this is the method of doing. Okay, now see the next question. Next question is asking about the number of molecules. Next question पूछ रहा है calculate the number of molecules. Okay, molecules के बारे में पूछ रहा है. So molecules, जहाँ पे molecules है, what you have to do? आपको molecules का molecular mass calculate करना है. Here you have taken the atomic mass. 32 is the atomic mass, but where the molecular mass is taking, you have to taking the molecular mass. Okay, सल्फर का अगर molecular mass पूछेगा वो S8 के फॉर्म में रहता है, S2 के फॉर्म में नहीं रहता. बट अगर a question is asked for nitrogen, तो nitrogen is in N2, oxygen is in O2. तो O2 का molecular mass लोगे. Molecular mass is what for O2? Atomic mass is 16. Therefore, molecular mass will be 32. For example, N2 I am saying atomic mass is 14 and molecular mass is 14 का 28. ओके, सो दैट विल बी यूज्ड, अंडरस्टूड। सब कुछ वही रहेगा बट आपको क्या यूज करना है, यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द मॉलिक्यूलर मास, अंडरस्टूड। सी द क्वेश्चन केयरफुली। 14 ग्राम ऑफ नाइट्रोजन में कितना मॉलिक्यूल्स है, किसके, इसके क्या नाम है, कैलकुलेट द नंबर ऑफ एटम्स इन ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग। 14 ग्राम ऑफ नाइट्रोजन में कितने नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स होंगे, चलो देखते हैं व्हाट कैन बी द सॉल्यूशन नाउ। फर्स्ट यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ N2, अंडरस्टूड। मॉलिक्यूल जहां पूछ लिया वहां पे आपको मोलार मास या मॉलिक्यूलर मास कैलकुलेट करना है। मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ N2 विल बी व्हाट, 14 into 2 that is 28, understood, 28. Now where you have used 32 in that place you will be using now 28, understood, okay। अगर सल्फर का ही होता है ये क्वेश्चन तो S8 का कैलकुलेट करते हैं, अंडरस्टूड, ओके। 8 into 32 करना पड़ता है ऑफ कोर्स, ओके। नाउ हियर व्हाट यू विल डू, 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 upon 28, ये 1 ग्राम का आ जाएगा, ओके। Now 1 gram we got, after getting 1 gram what we will be doing, we will be multiplying this, ask what is asked, this 14 with ask, ठीक है। तो 1 ग्राम का निकल गया तो आप 14 ग्राम का इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, what will be your answer, 1 जा 2 जा, now 2 से डिवाइड इसको करो, 2 3 जा, something like this will be your answer, understood। So this type of question can be solved like this, understood। One more question I am taking, you can see, okay, 3.4 gram of H2S, 3.4 gram of H2S, 3.4 gram of H2S पूछेगा तो you have to calculate the molecular mass of H2S, तो calculate करो, H का कितना हुआ 2 और सल्फर is what, सल्फर is मतलब उसका एटॉमिक मास लो, ठीक है, ये मिलके एक मॉलिक्यूल बना रहा है, अंडरस्टूड। सो 2 + 32, ओके, दैट विल बी योर मॉलिक्यूलर मास। ठीक है, 34 इज योर मींस मॉलिक्यूलर मास। नाउ सेम फॉर्मूला यू हैव टू अप्लाई, व्हाट इज द मींस व्हाट इज द कांसेप्ट ऑफ डूइंग, सबसे पहले क्या करना है, this much will contain this much of atom, understood। So you will be writing here atoms will not write, here you will write molecules, ठीक है। इज इट विजिबल, 6.023 into 10⁻23 upon 34, ये 1 ग्राम का आया, 3.4 का पूछ रहा है, 3.4 का व्हाट यू विल डू, here you will multiply 3.4, okay। In the next step you will be writing 3.4 gram is this one, okay। I have written here only but you will be writing, everything will not be covered in the camera, so you please write like this, okay। So therefore you will write, therefore 3.4 gram of what, H2S will contain this much, understood, and then you can calculate like this, ये भी आएगा 10, and now you can solve it, 6.023 into 10⁻22 will be your answer, okay। So 22 what, 22 molecules, okay, that will be your answer। So like this you have to solve the questions, understood। So please write it, take the screenshot, save it, and then properly make the notes।